Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. The flag of the Philippines consists of three stars and a sun, moon, tree. Sun. The flag of Saudi Arabia features a green background with a white Arabic script star circle. Arabic script. The flag of the Netherlands has three horizontal stripes: red, white, and blue, green, yellow. Blue. The flag of Colombia features a yellow top half and a bottom half of green and blue, blue and red, white and yellow, blue and red. The flag of Egypt features a golden eagle in the center of a background: red, white, and black, blue, white, and red, yellow, green, and black, red, white, and black. The flag of India, Ashoka Chakra, is in color white, navy blue, green. Navy blue. The flag of Nepal is unique because it is in a shape: triangular, circular, rectangular. Triangular. The flag of Mexico is tricolor of green, white, and red, blue, yellow. Red. The flag of Lebanon features a green in the center: cedar tree, olive tree, palm tree. Cedar tree. The flag of Jamaica consists of a diagonal cross of yellow, green, and black, white, red. Black.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.